Hello student, this is your 16th lecture of Material Science of Unit 2nd, in which we study about the temperature and effect of temperature and how to minimize the effect of temperature या heat. So at the end of this session the students would be able to know the possible ways of controlling cutting temperature, identify the purpose of application of cutting fluid in machining, assertion and essential properties of cutting fluid, and illustrated the principle of cutting fluid. The basic method of controlling cutting temperature. क्या क्या मेथड्स हो सकते हैं कटिंग टेम्परेचर को कंट्रोल करने का, सबसे पहले हम उसको पढ़ेंगे. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी रियलाइज दैट द कटिंग टेम्परेचर, particularly when it is quite high, is very detrimental for both cutting tools and the machined jobs, and hence need to be controlled, that is reduced as far as possible without sacrificing productivity and product quality. The methods generally employed for controlling machining temperature and its detrimental effects are proper selection of cutting tools, material and geometry, proper selection of cutting velocity and feed, proper selection of application of cutting fluid. The selection of material and geometry of cutting tool for reducing cutting temperature and its effect. Cutting tool materials may play significant role on reduction of cutting temperature depending upon the work material, as for example PVD or CVD coating of HSS and carbide tools enables reduced cutting temperature by reducing friction at the chip tool and work tool interface. चिप और टूल के और वर्क टूल इंटरफेस पे ये रिड्यूस करती है फ्रिक्शन को. इन हाई स्पीड मशीनिंग ऑफ स्टील्स, lesser heat and cutting temperature develop if the machined by CBN tools, which produce laser cutting force by retaining its sharp geometry for its extreme hardness and high chemical stability. The cutting tool temperature of ceramic tool decreases further if the thermal conductivity of such tools is enhanced by adding thermally conductive materials like metals, carbide, etc. in Al2O3 and Si3N4. Cutting temperature can be seized by control also by proper selection of tool geometry in the following way. The large possible tool rack helps in reducing heat and temperature generation by reducing the cutting force, but too much increase in rack mechanically and thermally weakens the cutting tool. Compound rack, preferably with chip breaker, also enable reduced heat and temperature through reduction in cutting force and friction. Even for same amount of heat generation, the cutting temperature decreases with decrease in principal cutting edge angles. As follow. Nose radius of single point tool not only improves surface finish but also helps in reducing cutting temperature as some extent. Now the next topic comes is selection of cutting velocity and feed. Cutting temperature can also be controlled to some extent even without sacrificing MRR by proper or optimum selection of the cutting velocity and the feed within with feasible range. The rate of heat generation and hence cutting temperature are governed by the amount of cutting power consumption. There is a equation that explains PC is equal to PZ VC बराबर TS TFVC. So the apparently increase in both S0 and VC raise heat generation proportionality with proportionally, but increase in VC though further enhances heat generation by faster rubbing action substantially reduce cutting force. Hence heat generation by reducing cutting angle and also the form of factor F. The overall relative effects of variation of VC and S naught on cutting temperature will depend upon other machining conditions. Hence, depending upon the situation, the cutting temperature can be controlled significantly by optimum combination of BC and S naught for a given metal removal rate. Control or cutting temperature by application of cutting fluid. Cutting fluid, if employed, reduce cutting temperature directly by taking away the heat from the cutting zone, and also indirectly by reducing generation of heat by reducing cutting forces. Purpose and application of cutting fluid in machining and grinding. The basic purpose of cutting fluid applications are cooling the job and the tool to reduce the determinant effects of cutting temperature on the job and the tool, lubrication at the chip tool interface and the tool flanks to reduce cutting forces and friction and thus the amount of heat generation, cleaning the machining zone by washing away the chips, particles and debris which is present, spoils the finished surface and accelerate damage of the cutting edge. Next is protection of nascent finishing surface. A thin layer of the cutting fluid sticks to the machined surface and thus prevent its harmful contamination by the gases like SO2, O2, H2S, N2S present in the atmospheric. मतलब है कहने का सीधा सीधा कि ये लुब्रिकेशन प्रोड्यूस करता है, कूलिंग प्रोड्यूस करता है, उसके अलावा क्लीनिंग करता है, जो भी चिप्स के छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स रह जाते हैं उनको बहा के साथ ले जाता है जिससे कि मेटल पूरी तरह क्लीन हो जाता है और फर्दर मशीनिंग के लिए प्रिपेयर हो जाता है। उसके साथ साथ ही जो लिक्विड है वो इस तरह का हम यूज़ करते हैं कि वो थोड़ा सा मात्रा में स्टिक हो जाए मटेरियल से जिससे कि ऑक्सीडेशन या रिडक्शन मटेरियल का ना हो सके, जिससे कि मटेरियल ख़राब ना हो। However, the main aim of application of cutting fluid is to improve machinability through reduction of cutting forces and temperature, improvement by surface integrity and enhancement of tool life. The essential properties of cutting fluid. अब cutting fluid जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं, तो कटिंग फ्लूइड की क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होनी चाहिए उनके बारे में अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। टू इनेबल द कटिंग फ्लूइड fulfill its functional requirements without harming the machine fixture tool work, machine fixture tool work MFTW। ना तो मशीन को कोई नुकसान होना चाहिए कटिंग फ्लूइड से, न फिक्सचर को, न टूल को, ना ही वर्क पीस को। सिस्टम एंड द ऑपरेटर्स द कटिंग फ्लूइड शुड पोजेस द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज़। न सिस्टम को कोई परेशानी होनी चाहिए, ना ऑपरेटर से, अगर वो टॉक्सिक होगा तो ऑपरेटर्स। फॉर कूलिंग, हाई स्पेसिफिक हीट, हाई थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी एंड फिल्म कोफिशिएंट ऑफ हीट ट्रांसफर शुड आल्सो बी हाई। स्प्रेडिंग एंड वेटिंग, फॉर लुब्रिकेशन के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, तो कूलिंग के लिए थे हाई लुब्रिसिटी विदाउट गमिंग एंड फॉर्मिंग। वेटिंग एंड स्प्रेडिंग, high film boiling point, friction reduction and extreme pressure and temperature. Chemical stability, non-corrosive to material to the MFTW system, less volatile and high flash point, high resistance to bacterial growth, odorless and also preferably colorless, non-toxic in both liquid and gaseous state, easily available and low cost. Principle of cutting fluid. The chip tool contact zone is usually comprised of two parts: plastic or bulk contact zone and elastic content zone. देखो इस फिगर में दिखा रखा है कि जहाँ पे वर्क पीस है, वर्क पीस की कटिंग एज है, वहीं पे ऊपर उसकी तरफ रैक फेस के ऊपर चिप फॉर्म हो रही है। तो जो टूल अगर हम इसमें लिक्विड अगर हम लुब्रिकेंट यूज़ करते हैं तो लुब्रिकेंट क्या करेगा, जो हीट जनरेट हो रही है उसको रिड्यूस कर देगा, जिससे कि टूल के अंदर जो वियर एंड टीयर्स आते हैं हीट की वजह से वो नहीं आएंगे। दूसरे लुब्रिकेशन की वजह से क्या होगा, फ्रिक्शन कम हो जाएगा, तो कटिंग क्या होगी, वो स्मूथली होगी। और जब कटिंग स्मूथली होगी तो इसका मतलब है फ्रिक्शन फोर्स कम होगा, तो हम जो फोर्स अप्लाइड है वो कम होगा, पावर जो हम दे रहे हैं वो भी कम हो जाएगी। पावर अगर कम होगी तो उससे क्या होगा, पावर कम होगी तो हमारा फ्यूल जो हमने मटेरियल बनाया है उसकी जो कॉस्ट होगी वो भी कम हो जाएगी। द कटिंग फ्लूइड कैन नॉट पेनिट्रेट और रीच टू द प्लास्टिक कॉन्टैक्ट जोन but enters in the elastic content zone by capillary effect. With the increase in cutting velocity, the fraction of plastic content zone gradually increase and covers the almost of the entire chip tool contact zone as indicated in next figure. Here Cp by Ce ratio is given and cutting velocity is given. Therefore, the high-speed machining, the cutting fluid become unable to lubricate and cool the tool and the job only by bulk extreme cooling. The chemicals like chloride, phosphate or sulfate present in the cutting fluid chemically react with work material at the chip under surface under high pressure and temperature and forms a thin layer of reaction product. The low shear strength of the reaction layer helps in reducing to form such solid lubrication layer under high pressure and temperature. Some extreme pressure additives EPA is deliberately added in reasonable amount in the mineral oil and soluble oil. For extreme pressure, the chloride, phosphate or sulfide types EPA is used to depend upon the working temperature. Now next is types of cutting.